truth and not somebody else dictating to you how to do your thing, which you know how to do better than anybody else.
Hello everyone, it's Terry and welcome to my channel. Today it's an unboxing from Fred Clark. I was fortunate enough to finally get a mailing list, VIP, whatever you want to call it, early chance to get some new releases. And the way it was explained was there would be limited quantities for a limited time that was being offered to the members that were on the mailing list, which is a lot of people. Probably the majority of people in Orchid that have collections and all that. But then it would be for maybe a week or two. Then it would go onto their regular website available, what was left, to everyone else. So, but for that 2-week period, only the people that had that email and the link could access these plants. And they are, or they were, well, they still are, new hybrids or hybrids that they have that were already released. They have released their own hybrid of sort of like what you would call an heirloom, where they just remade. And really, I have had problems in the past. This, I had 0 problems. And I don't know why my washing machine just wants to air itself out, even though it's turned off. But these arrived very promptly. Got a couple emails from Fred himself, because the weather for most of us was very snowy and wet and dangerous. So we couldn't get shipments, and he was very aware, and he messaged me and kept me updated. So, but anyway, it was because of a remake of something that I did have that I've been looking for forever. Caught my eye, and then other things caught my eye. So I am going to try to get this open instead of making all that noise, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I wanted to blast it. There was a heat pack, and it's still very lukewarm to the touch. I just took the bubble wrap off, and before I unwrapped it, I had to share just how it came before I unwrapped. Just the size. As you all know, this is a Brassavola Cattleya, but it's a Brassavola. And I did get at least 2, but these are very mature. And these, I think these were in, said 4-inch or 3-inch pots. So I just wanted to show you the size. And this is Brassavola perenniae times cucullata, which is crazy arachno, I think. But in any event, that's what that is. Previously bloomed. Amazing. And I got 2 of them. And where's the tag? Perenniae cucullata. Again, nice sized leaves. There's the sheath. The stem is here. This is the pseudobulb covered in this sheath. And then within the leaf from the sheath will arise the flower spike, and then it will bloom. So this being this year's growth, because you can tell the color of the green, it's still fresh. And then as you look up the stem, there is where the sheath will come from. So the stem is very long, so that's possibly will be blooming. And these generally bloom towards any time from spring into fall. Okay, so let's move out of the way delicately. And that is what caught my eye. Crazy arachno. And I have a picture of it. I will post it. I did have a big plant from, that's one of the, well, anyway, I'm not gonna tell that story, but he knows who he is. And then I got Richard Mueller times LC Jalapa Rubin. Did I get two of these? No, and then I got Onara Golden Spice, which is BL Richard Mueller, crossed with Epidendrum Stanfordianum. So, nice sized plants. Looks like these are in the, well, I guess that they are all in, oh, this looks like 4-inch. Anyway, they're all the same size. But that was my order from SVO. And I have a picture of this. I will post a picture of this. And I believe these two are brand new hybrids. Check the website and see if any of these are left. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Enjoy your orchids. Bye.